Did you know a Python list can contain another list inside it? That's how schools store marks of different students, companies store monthly sales, and games store board positions. Today you'll learn nested lists from scratch, and by the end, you'll even know how to access any value using just two indexes. Hey everyone, welcome back. In the previous videos, we learned how to create lists, update them, traverse them, and use different list methods. Today we are learning another powerful concept, nested lists. If you have understood normal lists, this topic will be very easy. So what is a nested list? It's simply a list that contains one or more lists as its elements. Instead of storing only numbers or strings, a list can also store another complete list. For example, the outer list contains three elements. But notice something different. Each element is itself another list. So instead of individual numbers, the outer list stores three smaller lists. Let's understand the structure. You can think of it as a table. Each row is one list. Let's try to access the inner list. Marks of 0 means go to the first element of the outer list. The first element is itself a list. Marks 1 is the second inner list. Let's try to access individual elements. To access one specific value, we need two indexes. The first index selects the inner list. The second index selects the element inside that list. In this, marks of 0 selects the first list that contains 85, 90, and 88. Now Python applies the second index, 1, that selects the value 90. Let's take different indexes, 2 and 0. First, marks of 2 becomes the list that contains 92, 95, and 91. Then 0 index selects the value 92. Let's update the values. Marks of 1 selects the second list. Inside this list, index of 2 contains 82. Python replaces it with 85. Let's see how to traverse a nested list. To visit every value, one loop is not enough. The first loop visits each inner list. The second loop visits every value inside that inner list. In the first for loop, row variable stores one complete inner list at a time. In iteration 1, row is equal to 85, 90, and 88. In iteration 2, row is equal to 78, 80, and 82. In iteration 3, row equals 92, 95, and 91. The second loop now traverses the current inner list. When row is 85, 90, and 88, the value becomes 85, then 90, then 88. After finishing, Python automatically moves to the next row. Print statement prints every individual value. Nested lists are useful whenever data has rows and columns. For example, marks of students or monthly sales, seating arrangements, game boards, or any tabular data. Let's take one practical program in which we'll find total marks of every student. In this program, we traverse one student's marks at a time. For each student, we calculate the total. After printing the total, we move to the next student. So this is the output. So today we learned what a nested list is, how to access an inner list, how to access a single value using two indexes, how to update values in a nested list, how nested loops help us traverse every element, and finally, how to use nested lists in a practical program. Once you are comfortable with nested lists, working with tables and row column data in Python becomes much easier. Before ending the video, I have a few practice questions for you. Try solving them. The more you practice, the more confident you will become with nested lists. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are learning Python. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future Python tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!